Norman, what did you do? Norman, come here. Come here, Norman. Come on, you're going to be a YouTube favorite. Come on. What did you do, Norman? Get it. Get that chair. Get it. It's attacking you. It's going to win.
Good job.
Oh yes, Norman, you are totally up on YouTube.
I have no clue. Maybe it's just it's someone now it can't get out.
Oh, the pigs are running over. Like, what's going on?
The pig's gonna try to help him.
The pigs are like, you're on your own, buddy. All right, there's Lloyd to the rescue. Figure out who's the smarter one, the cow or Floyd.
Now the pigs are watching another chicken called Casey.
It's a tug of war. The chair is losing. Run, Norman, run! Oh, this is priceless. Oh! Failed attempt to get into the barn. Go, Norman.
This is not funny, James.
This is hilarious.
Norman.
Poor Norman.
Norman, get over here.
Hey,
Get that
Norman,
chair.
go. Run.
Norman.
Run, Norman. He's trying to get your chair. Now he's pissed. Get that chair, Norman. Norman, come here. Go get him. Go get him, Norman. Oh, yeah. You don't want to turn your back on him.
And the chicken sticks to the side.
Hey, he's okay with the chickens. He lives with the chickens.